Okay, gonna reinstall this back together. No particular order. It's actually easier if you put the gasket back on now. Okay, and this can go on later, but we'll go ahead and put it on now. With the screw. Okay, so I got the screw, I got the screen, shower head diffuser. Shower head diffuser goes back in there. You hold it up, put the screen on, hold that in place with your left hand, and you screw it hand tight. Okay, you don't want to cross thread this. You're gonna have to change the whole head, group head, if you do. Okay, it's a real pain to do that. Okay, and you just need to screw in the screw hand tight. You don't need to crank it down because you want to remove this every day or every other day or once a week at least. Okay, and then I'm gonna put back the cowling. A lot of times clean out this cowling. Make sure you get all the crud out because it interferes with your portafilter. And then insert it in. You're gonna have to feel around for the hole. Get this up in there. You may have to use a screwdriver to get it lined up. Okay, and that's why these are tapered. Okay, so twist and turn to get it all right, straight. Make sure you put in only hand tight, because you might have to move it around to get the other bolts in. Okay, which is what I'm doing here. Okay. So now everything is, I'm hand tightening, and then I come back with a number 11 and tighten it out. Okay. Okay, if you find this cowling gets in the way, take off the front panel. Okay, number 11. If you ever have to replace these, you're gonna need to actually replace it with the actual bolts, because these are tapered. You can't just go to a store and buy a metric bolt and expect it to work, because it'll move. The cowling will move around because it's under a lot of pressure because of the portafilter. Okay, so these are snug down. Okay, there you go.